Hello and welcome into the 3D. Today we will learn how to create a fade transition effect in Unreal Engine 5. First, go to the content folder and create a new folder. Let's name it Cinematic. Then open the folder, right click again, go to the Cinematic section and create a level sequence. I will name this Fade Sequence and it will control the fade transition effect. Double click on it, then click the track button at the top left and select the option labeled Fade Track. Once you have added the fade effect, let me minimize this. Currently, the fade value is set to 0, so it's not affecting anything. If you change this number, you will see what it does. So at the first frame, we will set this number to 1. Then, by clicking on the little plus icon, you can create a keyframe. After that, by holding this, move it to the maybe around frame 20, and then I will create another keyframe. So what this will do is, at the beginning, the scene will stay black for 20 split seconds. Then we can go to maybe frame 100 and change this number to 0. Now, if I press play, we will start seeing the fade in animation. Perhaps we can shorten this animation a bit. I will move the keyframe to frame 60 just by holding it. Now, let's press play. Looks great! Another adjustment I would like to make to this animation is the way it fades out. Currently, it's fading out slowly, but I want it to fade out with a linear movement. Right click the end keyframe and change it to linear. Now press play. Looks good to me. Lastly, grab this red line and move it to your end keyframe. This line represents your animation length. So if it's set to 60, it will play the animation until frame 60. Excellent! Now, if I press play, we have a cool fade in animation. But as soon as I close this graph and press play again, it won't work. So, how can we play it? To play the fade in animation, click this icon and open the level blueprint. I prefer to use it inside the level blueprint, but there are other ways as well. Now, from the event begin play, search for create level sequence player. Then select the level sequence from the drop down box. In this case, we want to select the fade sequence that we just created. Then from the return value, get the play, compile, save, minimize or close this window, and press play. As you can see, we have the fade animation playing at the beginning of the scene. If you want to make any change later, click on the level sequence. Maybe we can move this keyframe to frame 10. So after frame 10, it will start fading in. Close this and press play. Great! Today we learned how to create a fade animation in Unreal Engine. If you have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.